The first session of the United Nations General Assembly opened on the 10th of January, 1946, at the Methodist Central Hall in London.
Delegates from all over the world gather in London to open the first assembly of the United Nations organization. Representatives of the peace-loving countries attend a reception prior to the meeting. King George VI is present, with British Foreign Secretary Bevin and Secretary of State Burns. The informal gathering strikes a note of harmonious accord as England's Prime Minister Attlee joins the group. Central Hall, Westminster is the meeting place for the 51-member nations. The Canadian delegation is confident of a strong world organization dedicated to a peaceful solution of international difficulties. Edward Stettinius confers with the Secretary of State, and Mrs. Eleanor Roosevelt greets a colleague. In addition to setting up the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, and the International Court, one of the most important tasks before the Assembly is the election of its first president. The voting is close, being divided between Paul-Henri Spaak of Belgium, backed by Britain, and Trygve of Norway, supported by Russia and the United States. Monsieur Spaak is elected by 28 votes to 23 and takes the chair. The hopes of a world sickened by the miseries of global war are centered in the policies of this group.